Greetings to all judges. In this document video, we are going to learn how to number and sub-number your legal documents by using drag and voice commands. So let's see how it is done. Heard advocate for defendant number 2 and 3 and advocate for plaintiff. Following points arise for our determination and we have recorded our findings with the reasons given. Full stop. Select paragraph, number that, unselect that, new line, backspace that, backspace, Roman numeral 1, full stop, tab. Whether this revised application is maintainable, question mark, new line. Whether the order of the learned trial court is legal, comma, proper and correct, question mark, new line. Whether there is a need of interference at the hands of this court in the order of the learned trial court, question mark, full stop. So this is the way we can number and sub-number your legal documents by using very simple drag-in commands. Thank you for watching, and if you require more assistance, you can always get in touch with our service support team. The numbers are there on your screen.